So we just got to Walmart, guys, and we about to see what Walmart is about. Because, yeah. Okay. Now that's why we gonna pick up a couple of little things from Walmart. First and foremost, we gotta get some salt because we don't have none. And yeah, today is definitely gonna be one of those days. Well, tomorrow, when all that snow supposed to be hitting. So, okay, guys. So yeah, as you can see, all the bananas are gone. So yeah. Wow. Let me grab my kids some fries. Those Nathan fries was good, right, Zion? The Nathan fries. Yeah. Damn, guys, look. Nothing here. Everything is like empty. These are good. Look at the meats, it's gone. I don't want to put these holes in my camera because they're going to think I'm recording them. So. I need to get some. Sorry, stay right here. I need to get some sausage.
Oh, peelables. Oh, look at this. You want to more?
Look at the SpongeBob cereal. Zaire, I didn't see a case of water. I just seen somebody with it in their cart, but I don't see them.
Look at the sign. Bottled water right there.
Where? Oh. Yeah, right? We're gonna get some Takis too. Ooh!
Yo.
Good shit. Okay. And it's so much for the last ones I have. Yeah. You having fun in the cart, mommy? You like Walmart, mommy? Yo, Tinka. She like, get me out this car. Do it. Do the happy dance. Do it. 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 Look at her little tiny, her little tiny mouth. What you got? Candy? Mm-hmm.